Okay, let's talk about money. Specifically, let's talk about those pesky little fees that seem to nibble away at our hard-earned cash. Ever looked at your Commbank statement and seen that $3 transaction fee pop up and wondered, wait, why me? Why am I paying this, and who, exactly, is getting a free pass? If you've ever felt that sting of confusion, you are not alone. In a world where every dollar counts, knowing where your money is going is crucial. We're all familiar with the convenience of debit cards, right? Tap, pay, and you're done. But behind that seamless transaction lies a complex system of fees and charges, and Commbank's $3 transaction fee is a prime example. It's a fee that, for many, feels like a bit of a mystery. Is it for using a debit card at all? Is it for certain types of transactions? Is it for daring to exist? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's paint a picture. Imagine you're a student juggling part-time work and a mountain of textbooks. Every dollar is budgeted, every expense scrutinized. Then, bam, a $3 fee pops up on your statement for a simple grocery run. Or, think about a retiree living on a fixed income, carefully managing their finances. That $3 fee, though seemingly small, can represent a significant chunk of their weekly budget. The frustration is understandable. It's not just about the money, it's about the principle. It's about feeling like you're being nickel and dimed for using the services you rely on. So, the burning question remains, who gets to sidestep this fee? Who are the chosen ones, the financial elite, if you will, who are exempt from this $3 charge? Well, let's unpack it. The $3 transaction fee, in Commbank's world, is primarily associated with using your debit card for over-the-counter cash withdrawals at participating overseas ATMs. It's not a fee for using your card at a local store or online. It's specifically for accessing cash in foreign currencies through ATMs that aren't part of Commbank's global ATM alliance. Now, this is where the exemptions start to come into play. Firstly, if you're using a Commbank ATM either in Australia or overseas, you won't be hit with this $3 fee. Commbank's own ATMs are your safe haven. Similarly, if you're using an ATM within the Global ATM Alliance, which includes banks like Bank of America, Barclays, and Scotiabank, you're also in the clear. This alliance allows Commbank customers to access their funds at partner ATMs without incurring the $3 fee. But what about those who frequently travel to countries where Commbank or its alliance partners don't have a strong presence? This is where things get a bit more nuanced. One of the key exemptions revolves around certain Commbank account packages. Some premium accounts, designed for frequent travelers or those with higher balances, often include waivers for international ATM fees. If you're a Commbank customer with a premium account, it's worth checking your account's specific terms and conditions. You might find that those pesky $3 fees are a thing of the past. Another factor that can influence fee exemptions is your relationship with Commbank. If you're a long-standing customer with a substantial banking history, or if you hold multiple Commbank products, you might have more leverage in negotiating fee waivers. It's always worth speaking to a Commbank representative to discuss your options. They might be able to offer tailored solutions based on your individual circumstances. Let's break down the key exemptions again, just to make sure we're all on the same page. Commbank ATMs. Using a Commbank ATM anywhere in the world means no $3 fee. Global ATM Alliance. Accessing cash at partner ATMs within the alliance also avoids the fee. Premium accounts. Certain Commbank account packages offer fee waivers for international ATM withdrawals. Negotiated waivers. Long-standing customers or those with multiple Commbank products might be able to negotiate fee waivers. It's also important to remember that the $3 fee is not the only potential cost associated with international ATM withdrawals. You might also encounter fees charged by the ATM operator itself, as well as currency conversion fees. These fees are separate from Commbank's $3 charge and can vary depending on the ATM and the currency you're withdrawing. So, what can you do to avoid these fees altogether? Firstly, plan your finances ahead of time. If you're traveling overseas, research the availability of Commbank ATMs and global ATM alliance partners in your destination. Consider using a travel credit card that doesn't charge international transaction fees. And, if possible, carry some local currency with you to minimize your reliance on ATMs. Another strategy is to explore alternative payment methods. Contactless payments, mobile wallets, and online banking are becoming increasingly prevalent, even in international settings. By utilizing these options, you can reduce your need for cash withdrawals and avoid those pesky fees altogether. Furthermore, it's crucial to stay informed about Commbank's fee structure. Banks can change their fee policies, so it's essential to regularly review your account statements and stay updated on any changes. Commbank's website and customer service channels are valuable resources for staying informed. Now, let's address a common misconception. Many people believe that the $3 fee is a blanket charge for all international transactions. This is simply not true. As we've discussed, the fee is specifically for over-the-counter cash withdrawals at non-alliance ATMs. Using your debit card for purchases at international merchants, either in-store or online, does not typically incur this $3 fee. However, you might encounter other fees, such as currency conversion fees, depending on your account and the merchant's policies. Another point to consider is the impact of these fees on small businesses. If you're a small business owner who frequently travels overseas for business, these fees can add up quickly. It's essential to factor these costs into your business expenses and explore strategies for minimizing them. Consider using business accounts that offer fee waivers or negotiating with your bank for better rates. In essence, understanding who is exempt from Commbank's $3 transaction fee is about understanding the nuances of international banking and the specific terms and conditions of your account. It's about being proactive in managing your finances and exploring alternative payment methods. And, most importantly, it's about staying informed and advocating for your financial well-being. The world of banking can be complex and confusing, but by taking the time to educate yourself and understand your options, you can take control of your finances and minimize those pesky fees. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, it can save you a significant amount of money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.